My name is Adam Broš and I am the 10th brewmaster of Budvar Brewery. The Nefiltr beer brings the experience as in the brewery. That's the simple idea. It's not a new beer for us, for brewers, because if you come into the brewery, you can test the beer in the lager cellar. And it was not possible on the market. It's really refreshing, very drinkable, and despite the 4.0 ABV, it's full in the body. Beer with the Nefiltr, you can savor the atmosphere of the lager cellar in the brewery. Nefiltr is the authentic experience.
It's really fantastic to see how much they care about making sure that everyone that serves the product is, fully educated and up to speed.
One thing I've learned about tonight is the hard pour gives a subtler flavour to the beer and gives a lot more foam.
What we get in this country most of the time is a travesty of lager, and this is how it should taste.